Hello, let's continue our Sudoku adventure with 4 circles by James Kopp. So we have normal 6x6 Sudoku rules. That means in each row, each column, and each 2x3 box, we are placing the digits 1 to 6 exactly once each. We also have arrows in the grid that are attached to a circle. Digits on an arrow sum to the value in the circle. So if this was 2, 3, 2 plus 3 is 5. That would put a 5 here. If this was 2 and 2, that would add to 4. And yes, you are allowed to repeat like this. We also have circles connected by red lines. The 2 circles sum to the value on the red line. So if this was 2 and 3, you add them up and that's 5. The 5 would go there. So it's kind of like an inverted arrow. Cool. And that's it. Those are the rules. There's a link in the description if you'd like to try the puzzle yourself. And I'm going to get started right now. How do we want to get started here? Maybe combining some sums might be helpful. Let's see. So we know that these two add to this one, but then these two add to this one. So that means these three, hold on. These two add to this one. That means these three greens add to purple. So they got to be relatively small. And this green actually can be represented by these 2 greens. And so these 4 greens add to this purple right here. The absolute minimum I could put here is 1 plus 1 is 2. And the minimum I could put here is 1 plus 2 is 3. And so that makes this a 5 or a 6 automatically. And so I have 1 degree of freedom. I could either do a 1-3 pair and do 2 plus 4. So 1 is always involved. Or I could do a 1-2 pair here, but 1 is always involved here as well. These aren't 1, I guess. And so then this is either a 2 or a 3, and this is either a 3 or a 4. Just by the sum of these. Okay. I don't think we need those colors anymore. Now these 2... they can't add to 3 because that would be too many 1-2s. And I think 1-3 is broken as well, isn't it? Yeah, 1-3. Yeah, we only get 1 more low. So this is a low plus a high. This is a 1-2-3 plus a 4-5-6. And we know it's not going to use the 6. And we also know it's not going to use the 3 would force this to be 3 plus 4 minimum, which is 7. That doesn't work here. So this is from 1-2-4-5. Sorry. It's got a 1-2 on it, and it's got a 4-5 on it, which means this is 3, which means this is a 1-2 pair, which means this is a 1-2 pair as well, which means this is 3 and this is a 6. Now, 6 goes in one of these 2. This is a 1-2 pair. I mean, we have a 1-2 pair in the box here anyway. So these are from 4-5-6. Oopsie. 4-5-6. Now, that means that this adds to at least 5. So this is 5 or 6, but this cannot be a 6 because these 2 have to sum to this one. So this has to be 5, which means this is either 1-4. Well, it means it doesn't have a 5 on it, which means it is 1-4. That's a 1-4 pair. That's a 1. Sorry, that's a 2, which makes that a 1. These aren't 4. This is a 5-6 pair. Okay. That means this is 1 and this is 6 to finish that. Gives us the 5, the 4, and the 1 and the 6. Up here, we need the 3 and the 4. And then down here, we need the 2 and the 5. The 5 looks down. That's 2, that's 5. That's 1, that's 2. All right. And I think it should just be Sudoku from here. 1 in this box goes here. This is what? 3, 5? Yeah, so that's 3 and that's 5. So the 6 in this box goes here. And this is a 2-4 pair. These are just, what? 3, 4, 6. So where's the 6? The 6 goes here. This is 3, 4. What do I need here? I need a 3, 4, 5. That's not 3, that's not 5. It's a 3, 4, 5 triple. So this is a 2, 6. The 6 gives us the order. That's 2, that's 6. That's 4 and 2. That's 3 and 4 and 3. That places the 3 in this box. Up here, I need a 1 up here, and I need a 4 down here. Here I need a 5. That's 4 and 5. And then up here I need the 2, and down here I need the 4. All right. Nice puzzle, James. That was neat logic. I like sum transfer. It's a really nice technique where we go just to review, we knew these two added to this one, but we know that we can replace this with these two as the same sum. And this can replace with these two as the same sum, which really restricts how small these have to be and how large this has to be, which is a nice trick with sums that overlap like that. Cool. Well, how'd you do?